Meron akong lunchbox. Meron ito. Go, grow, at glow food. Ito ay brown rice. Ito ay go food. Rich ito in carbohydrates for energy. Ito ay tilapia. Ito ay grow foods. Rich ito in proteins for your bones and muscles. Ito naman ay grapes at banana. Ito ay mga grow foods. Rich ito in vitamins and minerals para makaiwas sa sakit. At syempre, dapat tayong uminom ng 8 or more glasses of water a day.